Today I'm going to make this page holder for while you're reading books. If you're the type of person who reads with one hand, this will make life a lot nicer. Holds the pages in place and you can read easily. This is a project that is great for when you have a whole bunch of little scraps. I suspect it is something that would sell at a craft show. I don't know. I don't do craft shows, so that's beyond me. And what it is going to be is here's a template. It's going to be a page holder for a book. So what you can do is cut out this shape, and this part holds the page, and you can put your thumb in this hole. That's the theory. And now this is some black walnut and some dogwood. And what the first step is on the bandsaw, cut out these rough shapes, and then sand them to size, round over the edges, drill the holes in the center, and it's done. Really quick and easy project, and they make great stocking stuffers for the book readers in your life, or like I say, try selling them at craft shows. I suspect they'd sell. I have put a coat of polyurethane finish on here. In honesty, I don't think it needs much more than one coat. We'll just let it sit overnight, and then I will present it to the boss and see what she thinks. Let's go see what quality control has to say about them. Da 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 da. Dun 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 da 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 dun da da dun 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 run da dun 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 dun.
Wow. What is it?
What this is, my love. Put your thumb in there. Now hold the book. Now you can read it one-handed. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where'd you get this
one?
idea?
From a photograph.
That is really cool.
Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
Now make one that will work with my ebook.